Hey, welcome to Paddle Hike. Today I'm in the Adirondacks and I'll be hiking Vanderwhacker Mountain Fire Tower. Let's go. You have to drive on a dirt and rocky road to get to a very small parking lot like this. And the trail starts right there. So this trail is part of two challenges here, the Adirondack Fire Towers and the Adirondack29ers. I did finish the 29ers, but there's over 40 in total. So you have to do 29 of 40. So this one was not part of the 29 that I've done so far. At the moment it's not warm, it's around 9 degrees Celsius. I wanted to come this winter, but the access road was closed. That's why I'm doing it today. So the trail is marked with red markers like these. It's not a popular trail and it's Thursday morning, so I'm pretty sure I'll have the trail to myself. I'm pretty much done with the challenge here. I have two left to complete technically. I have the Fire Towers and the Lake George. The mountains left are far from my home. So it's around 3.5 to 4 or 5 hours. So that's why they're not done already. This trail is pretty linear. So you're going to the Fire Tower and you come back. So it's an outback trail. Today's a beautiful and sunny day, so I'm pretty sure we'll have amazing views on top of that fire tower. So far the trail is pretty easy and gradual, so there's no steep incline. So you just, yes, you're going up, but it's not difficult. Huh. So what's left of a bathroom? I don't trust the floor. Whew. Yep. And this was a room. Huh. Old fridge. Ooh. Still pretty cool. Well, there's a privy without privacy. But you're pretty much alone here, so if you're in a hurry, you could do it. After the cabin, the trail goes a bit steeper. Ticks are out, so be careful. They can give you Lyme disease. I never had issues. I wear gloves, long sleeve, pants, and I spray my clothes with permethrin and myself with picaridin. It worked for me for years, never had issues. Be aware that I think that permethrin is not super safe for your pets, so just be careful. But on yourself or your clothes or whatever, no issues, and it works. If you enjoy videos like this and you want to help support my channel, you can leave a like and a comment. These two things will help me a lot. Thank you. I can see the tower right there. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click on this one. See you soon.